So I think we were on text to columns. Also text to columns, what will we be doing? Okay, so that will be all for the text to columns. So like I said, this and you can do stop exactly. So yeah, so this one separated because we specified the separator should be our underscore. Now the underscore would have to be removed. That is why we have S10, 16, 17 without the underscore. Text to column is just breaking a particular column to different columns or multiple, say multiple. Let's say I have S28 underscore EDF underscore 32 1. No, let me see. 002. That's 2002. Okay. Then I hit that. Let me just see. Now I want to separate this into 3 different columns. How do I do it? I click here, go to my data tab, text to columns, delimited. It's already highlighted, it's already selected delimited for me because it says that it's a delimited record. I click my next, I enter my delimiter underscore. Yeah. This is like a preview of what it would sort for, meaning a column would have this, a column would have this, a column would have this. That's simple. What do I do? Next. Then I select where I want it to start from. I select here and I do my finish. Now it gave me S28 EDF through, without through, you know, this. Okay. Undo. Do I have to do it one by one? Let me select. And let me select it. Oh, sure. Text to column down. Text to column select delimited. Select here. Let me see if this would work. I'm sure. Finish. Okay. How do I autofill? Now, I'll just have to do it on my own. I'll find a way around it though. Without this I would have to do that. Okay, so that is just that on breaking a particular column to different multiple columns. So you can work on maybe email. I want to separate my email. I want to have my first name, last name. I want to have the is it prefix? Post, whatever. I want to have my first name separate, last name separate, email separate, .com separate. I can have it on email. Can I? But then I have to specify the separator. I have to specify separate. No, sorry, email would not work. Email would not work. But I can use it on my maybe first name, maybe dates. Sorry, I can use it on the first name. The separator will definitely. Oh, you're coding already and this thing went off. All right, so welcome back. Sorry. Let me reshare my screen. So yeah, we stopped here. So it separated it into 2 for me because it had just one, what's it called, underscore. Now I did something like, what if I have multiple underscore and I want to separate? Let me delete this. And I want to separate. So I will just have to select my column, select what I want to do. I'll just have to select what I want to, I just have to select what I want to separate. Go to my text to column. Now it's already elected it for me because it is delimited. Then I click my next. It has entered my, okay, because I did something that has underscore. So now I have it as my separator. I click next. I select my location where I want it to start from. Select that and I enter finish. It separated everything for me. So it is That simple. This text to column is like breaking a particular column to multiple columns. It can work for dates, it can work for maybe name, it can work for code like this. Anything at all that is separated. Some might be separated by comma, some might be separated by semicolon, some underscore, some maybe asterisks like that, like that. So that is majorly text to column. And I think we are done for today. Sorting, filtering, validation, remove duplicates, text to column, transpose. So next class we'll do pivot tables, charts, graph recognition. I don't think condition will fit into that schedule. All right, so now our assignments here. On what's this? Yes. So our assignments would be, I would reshare this. I will share this. I will share this workbook. So also, so number one, populate. Okay, no, we'll do it ourselves. What assignment do I do? I'll just send the screenshots of it to the group. Next, then transpose. So this will be our assignment. I'll send a screenshot of it to the group. So number one will be, it will be us to populate a sheet up to 10. We can do more than, but at least, sorry, populate a sheet. Minimum of 10 rows. Populate a sheet, minimum of 10. Can do more than, have capacity to. minimum of 10 rows. Thank you. So calculate the average, including headers name, age, gender, hire date, salary. Thank you. So for number 2, we'd have to calculate the average, minimum, maximum, the age and salary column. Age and salary column, because they are numerals. So now we'd have to restrict each column to the specified order, meaning my name should have just text, my age should have just number between whatever specific range you want to give it. Then my gender should receive only text. My hire date should not exceed this particular date, and my salary should be within this range. Then calculate, okay, so restrict these columns, that's validation. Then sort ascending using the name column. So my name has to be arranged from A to Z. Then I transpose, meaning we can just send, we can just do it like, take a screenshot of each process, document them, send it. So thank you so much for joining tonight's class. Hope to see you same time on Wednesday. And I hope we will do our assignments. Thank you so much for joining. So I'll see you in the next class. Good night. Oh, sorry. Am I understood the assignments? Do you understand, Mr. Anonymous?